The report of Group 8 and the reporter number 1. So, original Boolean expression. F equals AB plus ACAB plus ACAB plus AC. So, original expression for our group is a sum of product or SOP from with the three variables ABC. In this context, the terms are related to an error check logic, where AB signifies no error and AC signifies a present expression. A is false or no, but C is true or lie. Our goal is to simplify this expression to its most significant form. Number 2, the product table. Since the expression has three variables ABC, the truth table will have 2 cubed equals a combination of 0 to 7. Some expressions. The simplest sum expressions to wrap are AB, AC, AB. So in A column we have 0, 0, 0, 0, and we have 4, 1, 1, 1, 1. In B column we have 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1. And C column we have 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. And in A column we have 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0. And in AB column we have 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1. And AC column we have 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0. And then in AC column we have 0, all. Then in total we have 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1. For simplified expression, F equals AB plus ACAB plus ACAB plus AC. So we have the subtopic number 1, redundancy. Identical text law. X plus X equals X. The term ACAB is repeated. F equals AB plus ACAB plus AC. Number 2, commutative and associative laws. We order the terms within ACAB for clarity. Remember, A and A equals 0, complement law. F equals AB plus AA, CB plus AC. F equals AB plus 0.B plus BC.
Hello everyone, I'm Mr. Jun A. Litre, reporter number 2 from Group 8. Our topic is annihilation law. 0 times x equals to 0. The term 0, as CB simplifies to 0. F is equals to AB plus 0 plus AC. F is equals to AB plus AC. This is the most simplified sum product or resulting form. It represents the logic for lower error AB or eccentric phase AC. Lemma verification. We can verify the simplification using a three-variable lemma, meaning the cells corresponding to the ones from the truth table. Mean terms M1, M3, M6, or M7. C or AB, or we have this in column 0 and 1. In the second column, we have 0 and M2 and 1 and M3. In column 1, we have 0, mean terms 2 and 1 and mean terms 3 or M. We have in column number 3, 1 is equals to M6 and 1 is equals to M7. In column number 3 and column number 4, we have 0 to M9 and 0 to M5.
Hello mga kababayan, so I am reporter 3. Logic circuit diagram. Original circuit, if equal AB plus ACAB plus ACAB plus AC. 2 ungauge for AB. 3 ungauge for ACAB. The expression simplifies to 1 AB and 2 ACAB before the final step. 1 and B for AC. A for input or gate. Simplifies circuit. If equal AB plus AC. This circuit is much cleaner and more efficient. Input AB, A, B, and C. Gates 1 AB plus BC can present a sequence error statement module in a data communication system. Hyperlogic. The output if control a flag that determines if processing should continue or if a message needs to be sent. Computer system decision making. If the system detects no error, A equal 1, B and 1, A equal 1 and B equal 1. Then A equal 1 and the system proceeds. However, if the system detects a specific send request, A equal 0, C equal 1. If equal 1 and the system is alert, state could send the data. A alert state like A equal 0, the send request A equal 0, C equal 1. If equal 1 and the system is ready to send the data, any alert state like A equal 0 and B equal 0, C equal 0 or A equal 1 and C equal 0. Result in F equal 0 and needs signals and recoverable or non-critical error state that does not require. And illustrate and send this demonstrate how simplified two-line description form that the minor decision making for computer.
Na ay di mapalong, natuplok.
Umanaw.
Ako, saan na eh? Napalong ay
Pwede na
natuplok.
tayo